going to start by combining by melting the butter. Where's the recipe, Jackie? Okay, okay, Jackie's going to tell me what to do.
250 grams of butter.
That's not the butter.
That's the butter.
Okay, first we are going to measure 250 grams of butter.
That's not 250 grams.
Yes, so you need to measure out on your scale 250 grams. So that's not 250 grams. It is a lot more than that. Please make sure you have washed and sanitized all your areas and pans. Did you wash your hands?
Yes, I washed my hands. I feel like Marianne.
Okay. Measuring. Okay, what comes next, Jackie? Let's get moving. We want this chocolate.
Carrie, come on.
Okay, come on. Why is this taking so long? Why do you give me such a blunt knife, Jackie? And I need to go buy some.
Are we doing the full recipe, half a recipe?
Let's just do the full one.
You can come to our house for chocolate squares.
Or not. 250. Oh gosh. So much
We got
butter.
enough butter. That's too much butter.
No, that's 250 you said.
That's it. No. That's 300.
Oh, sorry, okay. Put it in our butter container. Okay. Alright.
That's melting.
No,
Next,
you put it in the microwave.
weigh out the icing, sugar and cocoa.
Okay, with the icing sugar, 500 grams. Seems like a lot.
Does seem like we're going to have a lot of chocolate squares.
We need some more icing sugar. This is a 500
Shall we do
gram
half?
packet. Yeah, get the butter with it. We're doing half a recipe. It's just way too much. Okay, it's okay. You could baking is not an exact science. Okay, so we're going to change it from 500 grams to 250 grams because that is half of 500.
Because we don't want to get fat.
Yeah, because we're in lockdown, there's only so much exercise we can do. 200 grams and 50. Good?
How much is in the bag?
That's 500, so yeah, that's good. Okay, so...
Oh, and cocoa powder.
Yeah, but I gotta weigh it.
You can add it on. Test
Right.
your maths.
Where's the cocoa?
Does it
Oh,
say?
250 mils. Okay, so we actually need a mils measurement.
Scores?
Where's the butter? Oh, you took it out. Okay. How did you measure this? By your eyes? Oh dear. Okay.
It's how my nan taught me.
Oh no. Okay. Alright. Okay, so we are doing cocoa powder now and we need 250 mils, which is okay.
It seems a lot also.
Oh, but we need a half that. Half
Yes.
of 250 is
125.
125. Yes, so okay, can you watch the eye line there, please? Till I get to, and it go down because you need to measure at eye level on an even surface.
Squats.
So you squat while you do it because if you're going to eat this, okay.
I think that's good.
Right, good, that's enough. Okay,
now we need the...
melt the butter in a large pot until melted, of course, because that's what melting is. Alright, remove from the heat and add the icing sugar to the cocoa. Wait, hang on, okay, let's just put that in this pot. I want that in this pot now. Right, make sure you got it on a granite surface. Alright, so remove from the heat, add the icing sugar and the cocoa. Put that one.
Until there are no dry bits.
Right, so now we combine. Mix well.
well.
Mix well. Can you remove this, please? Thank you. Right, so you mix it until there are no dry bits. Gosh. Are you sure we have enough butter here? Alright, so this could, okay. Do not cook with Jackie.
Tough times, Carrie.
But tough times mean that we can't go to the hospital right now for things like burns. So make sure you have a first aid kit on hand.
Okay, I've prepared an egg.
Good.
And vanilla.
How much vanilla essence?
So, should we halve the egg or should we just go for the whole egg?
No, I think we're going to need the whole egg because
Okay.
I don't think we added enough.
1 teaspoon of vanilla essence.
So, Julie Child said that you can never have too much butter. I'm beginning to agree with her in a situation like this. So it shouldn't get it shouldn't look like this with white spots. Because I think we should have sifted the icing sugar, but it didn't say that in the ingredients. And as I said before, I mean in the method, it's not an exact science. Just
and now the washing machine is...
Yes. Jackie is always messing up our Sundays with the washing. Oh wait, that was me.
Yes,
sorry, I'm so apologetic for that. But
and sorry, Jackie.
And sorry, Jackie.
Yes.
But we seem to mess up each other's lives with the washing machine noise.
Other than that, we're the perfect flatmates.
Yeah, we totally are.
Are you ready for the egg?
Almost. It's almost. I'm actually doing pretty well here. What do you think? This is looking like.
Looks good.
Yeah, but you've got the white spots still.
Do you know we're in Africa? It's fine.
My granny would not approve. I do not think.
My gran would.
You know, the British Bake Off came from England, not from South Africa.
My gran didn't win it.
Did she enter?
No, but she was a very good cook.
Okay, well this is baker, not cook. So, okay, alright, fine. Egg. Okay, we're going to add the egg now. It looks like this, and that is how you add the egg. And do we anything else? Do we not add the?
I put the vanilla essence in.
Into the egg.
Yes.
Right. Don't do that. Add it into your mixture because that is what the method says. Oh, and it's looking good.
Better.
It's looking good, people.
I'm going to prepare the biscuits.
You
so
do
we just
that.
need half a packet anyway.
No. Because we're doing.
do.
I like the biscuit.
Broken into pieces.
I want to say, if you would like to add some mini marshmallows or cut up marshmallows, because that's what Rita does, but I can't do that because my flatmate doesn't eat marshmallows.
This is my favourite part.
Did you do it in a bowl because then it's because that's what my mom does. But my mom does.
How can I bash it in a bowl?
Like this. Put it in. Put it in. Like this.
Oh, you take all the best jobs. Now I'm crying from laughing.
We watch too much Friends when Monica has to make all the potatoes every single different way. But at least we won't get locked out of our apartment because
we're locked in.
Because we're locked in. Just keep bashing.
It's only day 3.
We're going crazy. decided against it because of my mom didn't send the right recipe.
My mum would have if we'd asked.
There are still white spots. This is looking really nice and chocolatey and
How does
good.
that look to you, Carrie?
It looks perfect, Jackie.
Are you ready for it?
Yeah, let's go. Whoa. Okay.
Oh.
So stir. Oh. Okay. Alright, it's okay.
It's clean. Do you want it in?
No, it's fine. I think we've got enough.
Okay.
I think that was more than half a
30
packet.
second rule.
Okay, so just stir, stir,
What are you
stir.
going to put this in?
I think I need a metal spoon because I must go in a glass. So it's easier. Spray and cook the glass container. Because, and we're going to make them nice and thick. So we want a small, yeah. No,
Is
a
it
little
too
bit
small?
bigger, yeah. We don't want it too few, you know. If you make it too small, then you only have too few. So think about that. Oh guys, you know, this is looking really yummy. And if you're sitting on your bums there on the YouTube channel, then, you know, get off, because I'll be the first person to sit there watching YouTube rather than doing the things I'm watching. But I feel like it's actually worth it to get off, so you have something to eat. Yeah, and
Looks good.
it does look good. I'm gonna add some brandy to this, even if you wanted to, but you cannot get that. It is not available at the present moment in our country. But you know, later on in life, it will be. So don't lose hope. It's more kid friendly now, you know. It's fine. Okay, so that's it.
Spoon it up.
It's all mixed in now. Mixed in the biscuit pieces. And now, let's just remove so you can actually see what we are doing. We're going to spoon it in. To the, oh, there we go. Like one of those hard ones.
It says use a spatula, but we haven't got a spatula. Do you want a knife?
No, I can use a spoon. Yeah, it's fine. It's, you know. Oh, who doesn't use a spatula?
My mum doesn't either.
Well, there we go. So really, you just need to flatten it now. So you can, when it's set, you can cut it into decent size brownie kind of pieces.
You know what that looks like?
Yes. Yeah.
I hope it tastes better.
Oh, it does. You can lick the bowl, Jack.
Thank you, Carrie.
For all you do for me. Like wake me up in the morning.
Yes.
Yeah.
I know you appreciate that. I see it on your face.
Yeah, because who wouldn't want to miss a minute of lockdown? Okay, so this is looking really good.
So now we put this in the fridge.
Yeah, we have to wait now. Can you believe it?
I can wait.
And there is our thing.
Can I stop it, Carrie?
Yeah. Bye-bye, fridge.